Now that you have learned the base variation, I'm going to teach you the 3 other variations, starting with the first one. We're going to start with the check and around the chasse again, the alternative version. We're going to do a check going very high up and very small bass. So 2 ronde, 3 finish into the side, left on, and now we go back. 4, replace, and slowly 1. Now we're going to go as fast as we can, twisting to the left and going up. Up 2, replace 3. Now we finish off with a normal twist chasse, finishing with an impact on 1. 4 and 1. Hold 2, 3. Now body rhythm 4, 1. Now we continue with tap, preparation into flick, slip and collect, 4 and 1. Two, 3, and 4, and 1. Up, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1.